Hello everyone. In this part 3 of three-dimensional geometry, we are going to discuss about plane and equation of a plane in space. So let's start with the meaning of plane. If we have a surface and we will take 2 points on it and draw a line segment, if this line segment is lying on that surface, then we will say that the given surface is a plane. Now, let's start with the different form of the equation of a plane in space. First, equation of a plane in normal form. How will we generate this equation of a plane? For this, let us suppose we have this plane pi, and from origin we are going to draw ON perpendicular on this plane, and n is the unit vector along this, d is the length of ON. Then we can say that the vector ON is given by d into n cap, and we are taking any arbitrary point P on this line segment, on this plane. The position vector of this P is OP is equals to vector R. Now because ON is perpendicular on this plane, therefore we can say vector NP is perpendicular on ON. Now if vector NP is perpendicular on ON, it means how will we get the NP? We will get the NP on the basis of triangle law of addition. It means what this become? ON plus NP is equals to, what is this? ON plus NP is equals to OP. It means NP is equals to R minus D n cap. And because this is perpendicular, therefore we can say R minus D into n cap dot product of n cap must be equals to 0. Because if two lines are perpendicular, then this is the rule. Now multiplication R dot n cap minus D dot n cap into n cap means magnitude of n square, which is equals to 1. It means R dot n cap minus D is equals to 0. It means R dot n cap is equals to D. So this is the equation of plane in normal form. Always remember this thing. If this n is a unit vector, only in that case this d is the perpendicular distance from the origin to this plane. If it is not a unit vector, then to find out the perpendicular from the origin on this plane, we will convert into unit vector. Now because this is already unit vector, and this will be create the vector form. What is this? Vector form. Now let us consider for Cartesian form, we are considering R is equals to, vector R is equals to xi plus yj plus zk cap, and unit vector n is equals to li plus nj plus nk cap. D is as it is. Once we will put the value here, it means this become Lx plus My plus Nz is equals to D. This is the Cartesian form of the equation of a plane. Now we can consider the equation of a plane in normal form like that also. R dot vector n is equals to D. Now if we are considering vector n only, it means we are considering about the only drs, and in this case let us suppose n is equals to ai plus bj plus ck. Then we can say that the Cartesian form is ax plus by plus cz is equals to d. So this is also the form of the equation of a plane in normal form, but in this situation we will not say d is the perpendicular distance from the origin, because this is the vector n. If we have to find out the perpendicular distance from the origin, then we have to convert this drs into dc's. So this is the very important concept, and this is the one of the most important equation for the equation of plane. Now let's consider the equation of a plane passing through a given point and normal to a given vector. So let us consider we have this plane which is normal to vector n and passing through the point A. We are considering that the position vector of OA is vector A and the position vector, this P is arbitrary point, position vector of P is vector OP is equals to vector R. Now by the triangle law of addition we have OA, vector OA plus vector AP is equals to vector OP. Now vector OA is vector A plus vector AP as it is, vector OP is vector R. It means vector AP is given by vector R minus vector A. Now because this plane is passing through a given point and normal to a given vector n, and therefore according to the question we have, what is this? AP is perpendicular to vector n. It means AP means R minus A dot vector n is equals to 0. So this is the equation of required plane. Now this is also known as the vector form. If we have to convert into Cartesian form, then for Cartesian form we will consider same thing. Let vector r is equals to xi plus yj plus zk. Vector a is equals to, let us consider this vector a is equals to x1i plus y1j plus z1k, because this point is lying on the plane and n is perpendicular. Let us suppose this is ai plus bj plus ck. Now if we will put the value here, then after calculation we will get x minus x1i plus y minus y1, x minus x1 into a plus y minus y1 into b plus z minus z1 into c is equals to 0. So this is the equation of plane in this situation and in Cartesian form. So these two forms are very important. Now let's do the questions related to this explanation. Question number 1, we have to find the equation of a, find the vector and Cartesian equation of a plane which passes through the point 5 to minus 4. It means vector A is equals to 5i plus 2j minus 4k and perpendicular to the line with direction ratios 2, 3, minus 1. It means we have vector n is equals to 2i plus 3j minus k cap. Now we have to find out the equation of plane. So first of all, vector form. Vector form is given by r minus a dot n vector is equals to 0. It means what will be the vector form? Vector form will be r minus 5i plus 2j minus 4k dot 2i plus 3j minus k is equals to 0. Now if we have to write down the Cartesian form, so for Cartesian form you know very well what is this, r is equals to, vector r is equals to xi plus yj plus zk. Therefore we can directly say x minus x1. It means x minus x1 means x minus 5 plus y minus y1, y minus 2 plus z minus z1. It means z minus, sorry, x, Cartesian form is x minus x1 into a plus y minus y1 into b plus z minus z1 into c is equals to 0. Therefore we can say x minus 5 into 2 plus y minus 2 into 3 plus z minus z1. It means z plus 4 into minus 1 is equals to 0. It means this become 2x minus 10 plus 3y minus 6 minus z minus 4 is equals to 0. It means 2x plus 3y minus z minus, this is minus 16 and minus 4 minus 20 is equals to 0. So this is the answer for this question. Now let's start with the solution of question number 2. Now in question number 2, find the coordinates of the foot of perpendicular drawn from the origin to this plane. Now look at this thing. This is the origin. Let us suppose this is the foot of perpendicular drawn to this plane. Now first of all, we can observe that perpendicular drawn, drs of a line perpendicular to the plane are, what is this, 2, 3 and 4. So these are the 2, 3 and 4. Now therefore, because these are the drs of the line perpendicular to the plane and this is also perpendicular, therefore we can say equation of line ON is given by x minus x1. It means passing through this x minus 0 upon a, y minus 0 upon 3 and z minus is equals to z minus 0 upon, what is this, 4. Now because this is the line on this plane, therefore we can say any coordinates of any point n is, coordinate of any point n are, look at this thing, what are this one, by this substitution this become 2 lambda and what is this, 3 lambda and 4 lambda. Now you will say because n lies on plane, so therefore substitute the values here. It means this become 4 lambda plus 9 lambda plus 16 lambda minus 12 is equals to 0. It means 4 plus 9 13 and this 29 lambda is equals to 12. It means lambda is equals to 12 upon 29. Therefore coordinates of required points are, what is this, this will be, substitute the value here. It means this become 24 upon 29, 36 upon 29 and what is this, 48 upon 29. So this is the way to solve this question, which is very very important. On the basis of this you have to do the practice to solve other questions. Don't forget to give the answer of this question in comment box. Thanks and God bless you.